Hi guys, today I'm here to show you how to increase the sensibility of a China $20 GP pointer. This is the PCB that is inside the device. If you see some tutorials in internet, you may see some tips, for example, to change this capacitor with another one that have a more value, or place more inside the case the coil. But I try to do these tips and I have no evidence. I studied the circuit of the device and I find a solution of this that may really double the sensitivity of device. In the side of circuit we have the battery holder, the buzzer, a motor unbalanced that produce the vibration, the capacitor, the power switch, and LED. And if we turn the PCB, we may see other components. We have one chip and another one without serigraphy. This one is a microcontroller. The other one is a double operational amplifier. This is a voltage regulator that takes the 9 volt from the battery and produces 5 volt for the logical part of circuit. We have a diode that prevents the inversion of polarity of the battery. And here we have 2 transistors that drive, one the buzzer and the other one the motor. This one is a diode that clips eventually extra tension for the little motor from the inductive part of little motor. Here we have the power switch that we said before in the other side of the PCB. And here is interesting because we have a capacitor and the copper coil on a ferrocube core. These two components make the resonant circuit. The microcontroller produces a portent that produces an oscillation of this resonant circuit. When we place a metallic piece, that is our target, near the coil, the resonant frequency change because the coil value change, and the difference of resonant frequency and the microcontroller produced frequency is taken from this point, bypassed from this little capacitor and go to this resistance. Okay, this resistance is a part of a net of resistance that produce the gain of one of the 2 operational amplifier inside the chip. If you change the value of this resistance, okay, this SMD resistance, you may change the gain of all the device. On the device there is a 47.5 kilo ohm resistance. I placed at 33 kilo ohm resistance here. Okay, I changed the resistance with a 33 kilo ohm resistance. This produces a more amplification of this operational amplifier, and this amplification go to the microcontroller in an analogic to digital port. The analogic level is processed and it produces the 3 level of vibration of the device, okay? Low, middle, height. And this is all the circuit. You must only change this resistance and you have a double sensitivity of device. I don't show you that that you have more sensibility, that before it vibrate here and after, for example, here, you may trust in me. I'm an electronic and the tip work fine. Please test it. If you're not able to change this resistant, you may go to a computer center, or if you have a friend that use the solder is not difficult to work. You may use not SMD resistant, but a discrete component like those, for example. Okay. And you may change the sensibility of your device. If you like my work, please subscribe to my channel and please me a like.